Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to swap pages in a PDF file or exchange two pages page position in PDF using PDF XChange Editor. Open your PDF file and select Home option. Now select this thumbnail option and engage this page thumbnail bar. Now click Organize option and select your Swap Pages option. And I'll exchange this page number 1 and page number 6 position, and first select page number 1 and 6 already selected and select OK, and see this two page position now exchanges. And also I'll swap page number 2 for page number 5. These two pages will be exchange position. Now see that in this we can swap our page position. I'll swap this page number 3 and 4. 3 and 4. Now see this. Okay. Now see this. In this way you can change your page position and swap. Now finally select this file option, save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.